Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I will be going to show you guys how to lock your folder in Windows 10 or 11 without password. First of all, you go to the folder whatever you want to lock and deny access for everyone. For example, this is my folder, it's the logo. You see I can access everything inside the folder. I would like to lock this folder without password. What I need to do, I need to click here and type CMD, then enter. Then up here I have to type CACLC, then my folder name, logo, then \E, \P, then everyone, column N. So now you see currently permission is deny, I cannot access the folder. So how are you going to remove the lock from your folder? Go back to the CACLC, type your folder name, \E, \P, everyone. Instead of N, just type F, enter. So now you'll be able to access your folder again. Please, if you like the video, like and subscribe.